and I realized, what if I built it myself? I'm not a developer. I don't know half the terms a developer use. I don't even know what GitHub is, but I can problem solve. So that's how it started. Frustration with my life, hitting walls, and using first principles to come out of it. But isn't that what coding really is? Problem solving. You spend time understanding the problem, figure out what solution works, and then you test them, and then you move on to the next one. So that's what I was doing. And one thought that I kept coming was, what if there's an app for this? What if there's an app for this? And I looked around and I couldn't find one that I liked. And I realized, what if I built it myself? I know what I like and what I don't like. So what if there are people like me with similar problems and I could make an app for all of us? And if I make money doing this, that's it. So yeah, I started my journey by diving headfirst into Android Studio, but big mistake. As soon as I opened my first lesson, it felt like an alien language to me. I didn't understand none of it. So to start smaller, I started with Java. I finished the concepts, going through the lessons, but now I moved on to the projects. I've done four of them, with each one more difficult than the last, and help inform me how to approach a project in coding, like in developing app, a program, whatever you call it. And also, it taught me one thing throughout the process. I think I mentioned the word AI too many times. Try to figure out how to use AI in this world, so this modern world. So it's a good practice pad for me. So since that, there have been two changes. One, I moved to a new country, and two, I'm back in college. But managing part time as well as studies has been challenging. So I have to solve for my own time, and I realized that mornings are the only period where I can work on this consistently. But waking day in day out has not something that I've been able to master yet, so which is why the devlogs have slowed down. And me making this video is trying to get out of that funk and hopefully resetting. So what does that mean? I want to share my entire journey, the challenges, the solutions, the ideas that I come up with. And if you have any suggestion, do drop them in the comments down below. But if you want to see what happens next, and with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.